Perfect. So I will focus first as a trainer, because the top three things that really caught my eye was the time management for such an extensive course. And I really appreciated the timer tool with the gong for sending us back. Second is the rephrasing or creating connection points after participants had some interventions or opinions. Um, and third, I think it's what I really appreciated was the feedback after each group exercise, because it really gave us insights how we could have done it differently or better. And in terms of the overall experience, I was quite and I'm impressed with the quality of the information presented and the structure of the course. It's very condensed, but yet easy to understand. Um, and follow the most critical elements of project management. And me particularly, I really liked the high level of interactivity. I really enjoyed the knowledge checks, the games with Kahoot,
Hmm.
and also the discussions between us as participants and with you as a trainer. And also the breakout room exercises for me were my favorite because it was a space where we can actually practice. Um, it was a very collaborative setting, and I also appreciated the guidance from you as a trainer when you came into the breakout room, and making sure that we really understood what is required of us there and how we can progress in such a way that our time is well spent. And I guess that's it. Thank you.
Thank, thank you very much, Monica.